All right, guys. So welcome to another short travel video. So the question of the day is, are you including group trip bags for your clients? And if not, why not? So let's hop over. Let's find you some group trip bag ideas because there's so many different ways that we can flip this, so many different ways that we can make them. Let's do it, okay? So I'm gonna, as usual, go ahead and start sharing my screen on the other screen. And let's jump into it. Give me a second. Right. All right. So I include group trip bags, of course, in just about any and every group trip that I do. Okay. So I do mine's different. I'm gonna show y'all the basic way to do it, and then as we get more advanced in this, maybe I'll go a little bit more into detail about a little bit about things. But for right now, let's get some group trip ideas. All right. So if this was live, I'll say where y'all want to go, but we're not live. So let's just use this as an example. Okay. So party vacation, let's do this. Let's just type Hawaii. Let's see. Come on, computer. You know what? Hawaiian. Let's do Hawaiian group trip bags. All right. And so this is just bags, just the bags. You can put whatever you want in them. I would actually sort this from low to high. But there's so many different places where you can get bags from. I'm just going for straight for what everybody should have access to and what, probably shouldn't take as long. Okay. So over here, like, look at this. This doesn't look like it's a bad quality. It's $10. This looks, it's a cosmetic bag, so it's a little bit small. So I would say just search Amazon or whatever supplier you're choosing to use for bags. Search it. And oh, even look at this. Look at this, y'all. 24 bags for $17.99. I wonder how good they are. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, this might, depending on the material, this might be something good right here. Look at that. So literally under $1 per bag. All right. So even if you're a travel agent that's just starting out, these are a pretty good size. All right. So let's say we got the bags. We know we're gonna do these Hawaii bags. Now let's talk about what we gonna put in these bags. If you're a brand new agent, not even a brand new agent, but you've never did group trip bags, I'm about to help you out. All right. So Etsy. I don't know if you ever heard of Etsy before, but listen, Etsy is a really good place to get some inspiration. So all you got to do is come over here, copy Hawaiian group trip bags. All right. Paste that over or put it over into to Etsy. And I already had searched it, but let's get a little bit more specific. Look at this. All right. Look at all the Hawaii bags that they're out there selling. Okay. So look at these. They can put their drinks in there. And so the thing about Etsy too is like these are, you can get them already customized, or you could just buy the material for them, or you can see what they're doing over here, putting it, and then hop over to Amazon and see how much it is to do it yourself. Sometimes it is a lot cheaper to let somebody else do it versus trying to piece it together. So this is why I'm just giving you guys the tools, and you guys can figure out the rest from there. Okay. So let's see. Wake up in Costa Rica. Look at this one. Bachelor custom. Look at this. What is this? Custom. So look at that. Even this, depending on how big it is. Okay, so okay, I see. Maybe it's $2.95 for the smaller bag right there. But still, I'm giving you guys this. You guys take this and you run with it, and just know that the possibilities are endless. Okay, there you go. You got some cups that you could throw in there. So let's say, oh, you saw some cups and you like them over here on Etsy. Look, come on back on over to this side. Okay, Hawaii cups. Okay. Oh, let's say for party. I saw for party. For party. For party. All right. There we go. I think these are, you get 40 of them. Well, these may look like the little cheap ones. So let's even something like this, 18 for 28. And so y'all think about this before y'all go on launching group trips and then, are stuck giving, little stuff versus if you already added into the cost of the trip. Okay. So always calculate stuff like this before. So like these are cups. I should probably say bottle. Let's bottle. Because yeah, let's say bottle. Hawaii bottles. There you go. You got some Hawaii stickers on the bag too. Yeah, I'm just giving y'all all these gems. I really hope y'all appreciate it. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I feel a little bit unappreciated, but I really hope that y'all appreciate all these gems that I try to drop on you. You know, I can't. There's so many different people in the industry that's not giving information, that's holding it, and I'm just like, look, listen, everybody, whether they're my agent or not, everybody should know some of the basic things that I'm out here teaching, and then some people don't. So I'm giving it, but I really hope that you guys appreciate it. So let's see. You got the covers for the cans, but I'm looking for bottles. Or ooh, look at this. Look at this. You can, when you get to Hawaii for this Hawaii group trip. Oh, look, we even got the little the lay greetings. These are not real, but listen, everything is here. I'm actually looking over all of this stuff and was looking for bottles. But check this out. Let's say you get to Hawaii and you want to include bottles of water in the bag. Look, they got the bottle water wraps. You see this right here? Wrap it around the bottles. It's 20 of them. Okay. Got it. You can go, Hawaii is expensive. You can go right there to, the ABC store, get a 24 pack of water, and then you got this. There you go. Throw that in the bag for, on arrival. Y'all, I'm just giving y'all so much. The ideas are always going through my head. Okay. So, let's see. Look at that. If, you guys are going to be drinking and stuff, on the trip, or your clients, there you go. You got your keychains. 36 of them for 16. Y'all do the math. Divide it up. That's cheap. It's pretty cheap. Less than $1. Yeah, a little bit more than $1. Maybe we can find a better. Maybe we can find a better design or something like that. But y'all get the gist, okay? Come on back. Let's come on back over here to Etsy. All right. Look at this. Bam, right here. All right. So if you want to include like a little kit like this, this is inspiration, y'all. Look, see what's in this. It's, even though it's a hangover kit, you can make a Hawaii. Let me see. Type Hawaii self-care kit. Self-care kits. And like I said, it's truly depending on if you got the time or the funds to, have somebody do it, or you want to do it yourself. Okay. So come on. So this should be good. Self-care kits are like the little Ziploc baggies. Not Ziploc bags, y'all. Do not put them people's stuff in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna show y'all the bags, okay? While that's taking time. They're called, I think, holographic. I'm pretty sure it's holographic. Maybe I won't butcher it. So holographic bags. Pay attention to the size, y'all, because I don't order some M&M bags. But it wasn't too late. It was not too late to return them bags. I returned the bags real fast. All right, so look, 100-piece holographic bags, 3x4. Y'all, 3x4 is too small. Do not buy a 3x4. These are like M&M bags. Like, this is 3. I didn't look at I wasn't paying attention, I guess. I don't know. But y'all pay attention, okay? 7 by, y'all gonna need 7x9 or bigger, okay? 4x6 is like the size of a regular picture. If you get printed at, like, you're gonna need 7x9, or I will even go as far as 7x12 or something like that. Like, that's a pretty decent size that you can pack all that stuff in there. And then, you know what? While we're on the topic of bags, let me do this. T-shirt bags. T-shirt. I'm giving y'all so much. Giving y'all all of my little secrets. T-shirt bags. That's what we call them. But that's what they're actually called. But when you do have everything together, you don't want to just put the stuff inside the bag. No, don't be fancy about it. T-shirts, bags. So once you got all the little cute little stuff together, you can position it inside of here. And then this slips right inside of your group trip bag. I hope it's coming to I do them, you'll see how they're always inside of some kind of, cute little bag. And this is usually, a bag, the bag. So look, 100 of them, and it's 9x12. I'm 100% sure it's 9x12. And then for $11.89. So you got to pay for stuff on the front end, but you can use this for 100 different group bags, right? So let's come on back over here. Self-care kits. Boom. Let's see. You got, well, that we can't get that one. So let's see. This looks pretty custom, not that one. Look at this. Let's see. Okay, some of this stuff is from Hawaii. So let me just find another one. Let's see. Yep. Look at this. You can get some inspiration from this and go right on over here. Have some stuff. Okay, so don't sleep on Dollar Tree. I don't know why they call it Dollar Tree anymore. It's like a $1.25 tree, but don't sleep on Dollar Tree. Go to Dollar Tree. They have like a lot of good name brand products in there. Go stroll through the aisle and see what they have inside of there that y'all can possibly put inside of your bags, even down to the little cosmetic bags like this, or even eye mask or something like that. Lip balm, like name brand lip balm and stuff like that. If the color of your Hawaii bags are like pink and green or something like that, go get some pink candy, go get some pink gum, go, the individually wrapped, the 12 count gum. Y'all go get some stuff like that from Dollar Tree and add it in there. I wish I had some pictures of my bags to show y'all. But if y'all know me, y'all know what my bags look like. I share them in my group all the time whenever I make them. All right. So yeah, that's inspiration that you'll pull from over here on Etsy. But let's say Jamaica. Because Jamaica. I want you guys to see the little self-care kits. Look, there you go. Inspiration for a bag. I meant for a cup. There's inspiration for a cup. I can get your Etsy makers to make them, or you could try to do them yourself. Okay. Let me put goodie bag. Jamaica goodie bag. I'm looking for the little holographic bags. Well, Jamaica, group trip bag. Group trip bag. Oh, they got these old ship kit too. Old ship kits. So you can inside the old ship kits, they got like a lot of different little small stuff that you can use. Let's see. Oh, look, luggage tags. Search luggage tags over here and see who's the cheapest. All right. So let's see. The last thing I want to show y'all is personalization mall. If y'all don't have time to do stuff, listen, they have a lot of good stuff over here. And sometimes it is expensive, but sometimes it's not. Check the clearance. But let me show you. Let me show you what I do sometimes. I'll try to find where is that? Don't do not be fronting your own money for stuff that you don't plan on getting recouped for, if that makes sense. All right. So I have found like the face rags and turned those into like the group trip. Not the face rag, the face hand. I think they're called the hand towels and turn those into group trip group trip things. They're like $10. $10. All right. So y'all can do some searching over here. Always has. Let me see. They always have some kind of promo or discount that's going on out there. All right, so let's see. and they are very fast. One thing I do want to say about personalization mall, if you're going and you do a big order, it may not go through right away. You may have somebody contact you and just want to verify that you're a real person, or something like that. I'm just like a real person and, not somebody that's trying to commit fraud or something like that. But yeah, just check your email as soon as you push it all the way through. Check your email and make sure that it was pushed all the way through. So let's see. I'm pretty sure I've used this one time, but it wasn't. Well, this is a gym towel. It wasn't this big. It's like a hand towel that they can use to wipe their face. It was like $10. Then maybe they went up on the prices, but just check, y'all. Just check. Um, I definitely have used this one before, but this is a beach towel. So let me do this. Let me click on here, and then let me see if they have the option for hand, because it was that brand. Oh man. Oh, look, they got my baby name. I've used this one. Listen, personalization mall, but yeah, just I cannot find it. But they had this option here. It was for this, but it was for an actual hand towel of this, and it was like $10. It was $10, and I was like, this is perfect. This when we did our Labor Day group trip cruise. It was literally this. It was this, and hand towel, hand towel, in a hand towel. But like I said, it wasn't that cheap. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, check other suppliers, but check Amazon, check Etsy, check Personalization Mall. And y'all, it's so many different vendors that you can use for group trip bags. But I just need y'all to put y'all thinking hats on and just search, before you say you can't do it, search for it. Try to do it. If you're not adding group trip bags, into the cost of your trip, why not? You out here building experience. Are you building just regular smuggler trips, or are you building group trip experiences? If these people can go to Expedia, go to Priceline, go to booking.com and book the same trip that they're booking for you, what's the point besides the payment plan? So remember, we are building experiences. Remember that. All right. So I hope y'all like the video. If y'all have any additional questions, go ahead and put it in the comments, and I will talk to you soon. Goodbye.